authorities on dais, ma'am, dear parents, my friends, ladies and gentlemen. Let me tell you, when we have come to this school as a parent in 1994 or 96, we come with a dream, a hope that our children will get a better education. And look at the coincidence. It's a great honor to be here and talk about the school and talk about the principal. Ma'am, I am truly honored when I get this chance to talk about you. We talk about Ranjini Krishna Swami? No. Principal, ma'am? No. Madam? School? Gregorio School? I think it's synonyms. The school and ma'am is synonyms. Why? I tell you some facts. There is some program in Florida held every 3 years in the United States of America. The program is called Program for International Students Assessment. And you know what study has revealed? The study has revealed that the students from Finland and Singapore are doing much better than students of America. And you know why? Because the teachers in Finland and Singapore spend 15% more time spending with their students than the rest of the world. Against this, in US, the reading time in the school, which was 42 hours a week in 1999, has come to 26 hours a week. The teenagers who used to study and when they go to the college, the study hours has reduced from 18 to 12 hours kind of a thing. The number of SMS being sent by an American student went from 50 to 100 every day. So what it tells, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has done a great study. They have created a program called K-12 program, and they have revealed that it is not important to have a great syllabus, a great university campus. It is very important to have a great teacher, and it is important to have investment in a great teacher. I think it is very clear that it is not important that which school or which university our student is going, our child is going. It is important that which classroom, which teacher our child is going. And there we are. Do we have a teacher? We have a principal? No, that's not enough. We have a principal. We have a woman of principal called Mr. Ranjini Krishna Swami. She has to excel. I think she is born to excel. And why do we say that? Ma'am, if you would have been into finance sector, you would have been not less than Chanda Kochar. If you would have been any business, you would not have less than Kiran Majumdar of Kiran Biocon. And assuming you have been a marketing woman, you would not have been less than Indira Nooyi of PepsiCo. But instead of that, our teacher, our ma'am, or I would, as we say in Hindi or Sanskrit, our ma'am has decided to be a guru, a true guru. Rather than just making her career, she has decided to enlighten the lives of various students, thousands and thousands of families. And with that one big step, I think through Gregorio School, in future we'll see hundreds of Indira Nooyis, hundreds of Chanda Kochar, and hundreds of Kiran Shovajeta. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, you have definitely done our parenting very easy. Whenever a school picnic goes or sports is arranged or some strike is called out, the parents are worried. Oh, what will happen? Is our child safe in travel? If there are water floods, will they come on time? I think you have been a calm person and you have handled the situation, and I'm sure all of us must have witnessed more than one time. You are not only a good teacher, good principal, but a good leader who has always given comfort to our students and the parents and everyone concerned about you. Ma'am, you will definitely be missed, but I'm sure that your legacy will be continued by the brigade you have converted by way of various teachers and students for years to come. On behalf of each and every student and each and every parent of this school, we wish you all the best and good luck in all your endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Patel. On behalf of all the parents of the school over 2 decades, may I invite Mr. Raju Subramaniam